Now, interventions are underway in Hammanskraal to try and find the source of the cholera outbreak there. Authorities are scrambling around to try and curb more cases of the illness. This follows the deaths of 15 people in that area. eNCA reporter Pule Letshwiti-Jones is covering this story for us today and is joining us now live. Pule, good afternoon. Welcome to today. You are on the ground in Hammanskraal, and Gift of the Givers, the NGO, is there as always to provide aid to the community. What kind of help are they giving to this community?
Well, good evening, Bradan. As you can see on my left-hand side, they've already started delivering water in the form of bottles. I think it's 5 liters. I stand to be corrected. They've been going to clinics, ensuring that these, health facilities can have water when having to use their operations to assist patients, and of course use it for other health operations as well. But I just want to chat to Clifford Mabe from Gift of the Givers. Clifford, thank you very much for joining us this evening. Now, tell us, how many bottles have you delivered today when going to hospitals?
Okay, so we started yesterday in Jubilee. We delivered about 1,440 5 liters bottles and then 140 10 liters, because our main target was the hospitals and clinic. So today we had about 1.85 liters of bottles. So we've been distributing to all the clinics, 400 bottles of water each clinic.
Yeah. And tell us, how has the demand been? How many requests have you received?
We've got so many requests. Remember, people were thinking we can bring JoJo tanks, but the problem, we don't know where this thing coming from. Yeah. So we got a strictly request that we need to have a strictly sealed bottled water. So the community is still panicking. The community is still panicking.
Yeah, tell us about today, because I saw there were long lines, snake queues, and other community members didn't receive. Tomorrow you're saying you're going to communities. Yeah. Will it be a challenge in terms of accommodating everyone?
It's going to be a challenge tomorrow, because tomorrow we're doing hygiene packs for the community. Remember, we had to start with the hospitals and then with the clinics. So tomorrow we're dealing with the communities.
Yes. And schools, is that on your plan? Are you going to be delivering to schools as well?
Yes, we're going to be delivering to schools. Yeah. Yes, sir.
So how long will you be continuing with the operations?
I think we're going to be here for the whole week, sir.
For the whole week?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. That's Clifford from the Gift of Givers, but he's also accompanied by the mayor of the local municipality of Morotele. They are on a joint operation here, and this is part of the intergovernmental processes working with the city of Tshwane. Thank you very much, Mayor, for speaking to us this evening. How have the operations been working with the Gift of the Givers, and what is your role here in this whole process?
No, thank you very much, and good evening, viewers. Our role as Morotele local municipality is that we are just next to Hammanskraal. So whatever is affecting Hammanskraal is also affecting our communities, because, for example, we are using our communities. Jubilee Hospital is catering our communities, and Jubilee Mall is in Morotele. We are just neighbors. It's a stone throw away from where we are.
And how many residents have been affected, and how long have you? I mean, this is a situation that's been going on for years. What are you doing to try and make sure that you aid and you assist in terms of trying to recover and fix this whole situation, Yameti?
Now, for now, from Morotele, we are supplied by Mahalis water, and we can confirm to our communities in Morotele that Mahalis is supplying clean water. And then we've got guaranteed of that. We are just assisting in Tshwane because of, in Gauteng, because of our communities. They receive most services we get most services from Gauteng.
Right. Okay, and what will be the ongoing operations from tomorrow? What will you be doing from tomorrow?
Now, from tomorrow, we're going to visit schools and community at large. Yeah. Yes.
And what will you be delivering there?
We'll be delivering soaps, materials and water. Yeah.
Right. Thank you very much. That's the mayor from the local district of Morotele. They are on the borderline, of course, of between Gauteng and the Northwest, and they're saying most of the residents residing in the Northwest receive services from Gauteng around the area of Hammanskraal, and they believe that they should be helping the municipality of Tshwane as well in terms of, and part and parcel of the intergovernmental response processes. But the Gift of the Givers Foundation saying that they will be continuing with their operations as well tomorrow, this time around visiting communities, and therefore after that they'll be visiting schools. But we understand that at the center of this, Bradan, we've now heard from a group of lawyers who belong to the Hammanskraal Lawyers Association, saying they want to bring a class act lawsuit against the municipality of Tshwane and the Department of Water and Sanitation, and of course the Department of Health, saying that with many residents having lost their lives in this whole process, they want there to be legal action against these governmental entities. We will be hearing, of course, tomorrow again from the city of Tshwane, who will be releasing that report which will determine the source of contamination in this entire cholera outbreak we've witnessed, and they saying that this would have been part and parcel of their investigations as the Metro.
Thank you very much. Pule Letshwiti-Jones on the ground there in Hammanskraal. We'll continue monitoring that tragedy there.